For allegedly being a tax cheat, a motorcycle accessories and parts shop has been padlocked. And the BIR says more violators of the revenue code may face the same fate. This report from Jorge Bandola.
A motorcycle accessories and parts shop in a mall in Binondo, Manila was ordered closed by the Bureau of Internal Revenue. In a closure order signed by Commissioner Jimenez, Leonches Trading, owned by a Chinese, was shuttered.
Una, non-issuance of official receipts. Tapos yung pina-issue namin, in-issue naman unregistered. And then when we check, they did not file any return, income or VAT, wala.
According to an investigation, the motorcycle accessory shop owed the government some 18 million pesos due to its use of unregistered receipt and non-payment of value-added taxes for 2 years. And even the trader pays immediately, his shop will be remained closed for 5 days.
Then after 5 days, pwede na mabuksan itong establishment.
Pero 5 days pa rin talaga. Hindi yung gusto niya na
kahit na
in 2 days.
Kahit today, after 5 days pa siya mabubuksan. Kasi yun ang nasa regulations natin ng pagkakataon.
BIR says more retail traders are still violating the revenue code, and as soon as they finish their investigation, more will be closed.
Well, so far, as we have went by, parang kung marami lang sanang tao ang bureau para mabantayan lahat, mukhang marami tayong makikita. Posible talaga.
Yun yung call ninyo para sa mga customer na mag-report sa inyo, hindi ba nag-iisip?
Ano naman, mga campaign namin sa paghingi ng resibo, so far, maganda naman yung results. Kaya lang talagang yung sitwasyon calls for more than just revenue sa resibo. Talagang kailangan ng masinsinang ng mga revenue officers.
Sana wag na tayo humantong sa ganitong kandado. Alam naman nila ang gagawin. Pag nag-negosyo sila, dapat magrehiso sa BIR. Pag lumagpas na 1.9 million yung sales line any 12-month period, mag-register sila ng VAT. Dapat nakarehistro yung mga resibo. Tapos every time may bumili, maski hindi humingi, ang customer, dapat mag-i-issue ng resibo. At ang i-issue yung resibo, dapat yung rehistrado ng BIR, hindi registered. At dapat huwag kakalimutan, mag-file din kayo ng mga returns. Kung magkano yung kinita nyo, dapat may katumbas na buwis na babayaran doon.
For People's Television, Jorge Bandola.